Well, it's another one which is off. Where am I putting the camera these days? Anyway, here's a Rotel RVC240 coming from an end user. Bought it on eBay. Wasn't transmitting on any channels above 30. Upon investigation, the VCO was out. I cleaned the VCO transmit trimmer, and an hour later it was off tune again. So I've replaced the VCO trimmer, so it's got a nice new one in it, and we will check this set again tomorrow morning. We checked this after 5 hours, it was still okay. We'll turn it off, switch it on tomorrow and make sure it's still okay, and then that's clinched it. It was last serviced by someone who's very trustworthy. It's not like they've missed anything, it's that this thing was done in 2021, so you know, things happen. Slightest sniff of nicotine is another reason for these things to fail. So we'll see whether Mr. Chippie's out there. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger, I'll plug my extension speaker in.
Yep, roger that. Let me know when you're ready.
I think that's the right one. Right, I'm here.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger dodger.
Alright, pressing the house and recording.
Roger on that. On this radio we've got a bit of a tone control.
Roger that, so heading up the lane towards the end of it. Now passing the passing place and passing doggy daycare, which has got cars parked in it. I don't see any dogs there.
Roger on that. That's fine, thank you.
Roger.
So we've got the original mic out as well, which we'll test right at the end.
Right, coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger. Passing doggy daycare, which has got cars parked in it. I don't see any dogs there. Lancaster service station 133.9 and 142.9. Roger on that. Passing through Lancaster Crossroads. Roger, going through Lancaster Crossroads. Passing the top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over. Roger, go to the top of the hill. Somebody's come on this channel. I'm just about something else. Roger. Socket up to 32. Roger that. Yeah, you're a bit too quick for me there. Yeah, I'm a bit quick.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Tango 21, got you going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Tango 21, got you going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
I'm on a Rotel RVC240 from 1981 using the Cybernet 134 chassis, doing a full 4 watt output and using a standard replacement mic over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Roger, Dodger.
Going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Okay, going over Rotel Level Crossing.
Wilsford.
Oh yeah, it's real cars add up today.
Roger. Passing the Greeley's turn.
Well, we got you the Greeley's turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. Went out the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. I'm on Rotel RVC240 using the Cybernet 134 chassis. It's doing a full 4 watt output showing 1.1 amps. Going to go to low power, it's set to 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 54321. There we are on low power. Radio sounds running flat. Full power. There we are back on full power. We then go to the clear because we've got that dark clear normal switch. There we are switched to the clear position, and there we are back in normal position. Over.
Yep, roger that, no problems on full power. Very readable on low power. I did have to override the squelch at one point, and the clear bit just makes it tinnier.
Roger on that, off you go when you're ready.
Roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Roger.
Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 138.9 and 144.7.
Right, that's excellent. That worked really well. Thank you very much.
Roger that. 10-10.
10-10.
And 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rotel level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over raw speed level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me today at that end, please? Over.
Yep, 138.9 and 144.7.
Right, that's excellent. That worked really well. Thank you very much.
Roger that.
10-10. Right, that did work very well. We'll go over to our base station, test it with that mic, and then we'll go on with this original Rotel mic. It's a jolly good radio, though.
Tango 21, testing the Rotel RVC240 into our Midland 76900 base station, which of course has the same innards in it. And this is on our standard replacement mic. There's the clear normal, there's the normal, there's the low power, there's the low power on low power. There we are, back to normal. Now we'll try the original mic. And Tango 21 testing with the factory original mic, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So there we have it. Thank you for watching Rotel RVC240 from 1981.